Imagine stepping into your backyard and harvesting fresh, organic food for every meal, all year long. This isn't a distant dream. It's an achievable reality for homeowners and gardeners like you. We're talking about creating a thriving mini farm right outside your door. Today, we'll explore how to cultivate a productive homestead that consistently feeds your family. Get ready to unlock the incredible potential of your own property. Let's turn that lawn into a larder. Every successful mini farm begins with a thorough understanding of its environment. Start by mapping your yard's sun exposure throughout the day and across seasons. Different plants have different light requirements, so this step is crucial. Next, assess your soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of abundant harvests. Consider a soil test to understand its composition and nutrient levels. This will guide your amendments and plant choices. Finally, know your local climate and USDA hardiness zone. This information dictates which plants will thrive naturally and what season extension techniques you might need. Work with nature, not against it. Thoughtful planning maximizes your yield in limited space. Embrace crop rotation to maintain soil health and prevent pest buildup. Never plant the same crop in the same spot year after year. Companion planting is another powerful tool. Certain plants grow better together, deterring pests or enhancing growth. Research beneficial plant pairings for your chosen crops. Consider vertical gardening solutions for vining plants or herbs. Trellises, arbors, and stacked planters can dramatically increase your growing area. Every square foot counts in a mini farm. Succession planting ensures a continuous harvest. As one crop finishes, plant another in its place. This keeps your garden producing fresh food throughout the growing season. Building a productive mini farm requires some foundational elements. Raised garden beds are excellent for controlling soil quality and improving drainage. They also make gardening more accessible and organized. An efficient irrigation system saves time and water. Drip irrigation or soaker hoses deliver water directly to plant roots, minimizing waste. Consistent watering is key to healthy growth. Composting is non-negotiable for a sustainable mini farm. Turn kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil amendments. This closes the loop on your garden's ecosystem. Develop a proactive pest management strategy. Focus on organic solutions like beneficial insects, hand-picking, and natural sprays. A healthy garden ecosystem is your best defense. Feeding your family year-round means extending your growing seasons. Cold frames and hoop houses are simple, effective structures for protecting plants from frost. They allow you to start earlier and harvest later. Overwintering certain crops, like kale or carrots, can provide fresh greens even in colder months. Mulch heavily to insulate the soil and protect roots. Some plants are surprisingly resilient. Integrate perennial crops into your plan. Asparagus, rhubarb, and many herbs return year after year with minimal effort. They are long-term investments in your food security. Choose varieties specifically bred for your climate and season. Some vegetables tolerate cold better, while others thrive in heat. Smart seed selection makes a big difference. A true mini farm extends beyond annual vegetable beds. Plant fruit trees and berry bushes for a delicious, long-term food source. Choose dwarf varieties if space is limited. Consider adding a small flock of chickens for fresh eggs and natural pest control. They also provide valuable manure for your compost pile. Check local ordinances regarding poultry. Rainwater harvesting is an excellent way to conserve water and provide chemical-free irrigation. A simple rain barrel can collect hundreds of gallons of water for your garden. Think about edible landscaping. Many ornamental plants also produce food. Integrate herbs, edible flowers, and small fruit bushes into your existing landscape design. Harvesting an abundance of food means you'll need ways to store it. Canning is a time-honored method for preserving fruits, vegetables, and even meats. Learn safe canning practices. Freezing is another simple way to store produce, especially berries, corn, and blanched greens. Invest in a chest freezer if you plan on significant preservation. Vacuum sealing extends freezer life. Dehydrating fruits, vegetables, and herbs concentrates their flavors and nutrients. A food dehydrator is a valuable tool for creating healthy snacks and pantry staples. For root crops like potatoes, carrots, and onions, a cool, dark root cellar or basement storage area works wonders. Proper ventilation is key to preventing spoilage. Healthy soil is the engine of your mini farm. Continuously amend your garden beds with compost and other organic matter. This improves soil structure, water retention, and nutrient availability. Plant cover crops during off-seasons to protect and enrich your soil. Legumes add nitrogen, while grains add organic matter. They prevent erosion and suppress weeds. Mulching is essential for moisture retention, weed suppression, and temperature regulation. Use straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves around your plants. It also breaks down into organic matter. Avoid synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. These can harm beneficial soil microbes and compromise the long-term health of your garden. Focus on natural, organic solutions. Continuously learn and adapt. Read gardening books, watch tutorials, and connect with other homesteaders. Every season brings new insights and challenges. Transforming your backyard into a productive mini-farm is an empowering step towards self-sufficiency. You can provide healthy, delicious food for your family all year round. It takes planning, effort, and a willingness to learn, but the rewards are immeasurable. Start small, observe your space, and build your knowledge. Every seed planted is a step towards a more sustainable and fulfilling lifestyle. Your edible oasis awaits.